Today we are in beautiful McCall, Idaho, one of the few places in Idaho that's actually pretty. And we're gonna go jet skiing, followed by having amazing burgers at a place called My Father's Place. So if you're ever in McCall, Idaho, do not eat anywhere else until you've eaten at My Father's Place because it's ridiculously good.
So good.
So good. Get the Charlie. It's a chicken burger, which sounds weird, but the chicken that they use is like actually probably better than their beef patties, and it has a bunch of grilled mushrooms and onions on it. It's ridiculously good. And their strawberry lemonades, yeah. So get those if you ever come over here. But yeah, we're just doing that with our family, and we're probably gonna ride some scooters on the bike paths and just have a grand old time. So enjoy. Please subscribe for more videos like this.